Basecamp Affiliate Program Review, Usage Experience. Welcome to the Basecamp Affiliate Program Review. In today's video, I'll walk you through the features of Basecamp, explain how their affiliate program works, and share my experience with using their platform. Don't forget to check the links in the description for more information and to sign up. Basecamp is a project management tool that helps teams collaborate, organize, and manage tasks in one centralized place. It's designed for simplicity and is packed with essential features like task management, team messaging, file sharing, and scheduling. Whether you're managing a small team or a large group, Basecamp's intuitive interface makes it easy to keep everyone on the same page. With its to-do lists, message boards, and real-time chat, Basecamp aims to streamline workflows and keep teams focused without overwhelming them with complex tools. Now, let's talk about the Basecamp Affiliate Program. Basecamp's affiliate program allows you to earn commissions by referring new customers who sign up for their services. One of the standout features of this program is its one-time generous payout structure. Unlike some programs that offer recurring payments, Basecamp gives you a flat commission for each successful referral. The commission is higher than the industry standard, which means you can earn substantial payouts with just a few successful referrals. The program is ideal for bloggers, digital marketers, content creators, or entrepreneurs who focus on productivity, team management, or project organization. If you have an audience of business owners, project managers, freelancers, or teams, promoting Basecamp can be a win-win. Not only will your audience benefit from using an easy-to-use project management tool, but you'll earn commissions when they sign up. What's great about Basecamp is that they offer a free 30-day trial, which allows your referrals to try out the full version of the platform before deciding whether to commit. This makes it easier to convert leads into paying customers. Basecamp also has a flat pricing model, meaning you don't need to worry about complicated tiers or fluctuating rates when promoting their service. In conclusion, the Basecamp affiliate program is an excellent option for those looking to promote a simple, effective, and high-quality project management tool. With its attractive one-time commission structure and easy-to-promote free trial, this program offers great earning potential. If you're looking to recommend a tool that simplifies team collaboration, Basecamp should be on your radar. Check the link in the description to sign up and start earning commissions today. Thanks for watching.